How to cancel and delete private servers in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Roblox to the latest version. Then open up Roblox on a device. Now tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on inventory. Now wait for some time. Now tap on category. Now scroll down and select private servers. Now go to the private server. Now scroll down and tap on servers. Now tap on three dots next to the server. Now tap on configure. Now scroll down. Now as you can see, there is no option to delete the server. So unfortunately on Roblox, if you have created a private server, you cannot delete it. The only thing you can do is simply disable the toggle for allow joining. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.